Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson algebraic expressions, isn't it? Shall we start worksheet 3? Now worksheet 3, first question. Find the product of the following binomials. So 5x plus 3, 2x plus 4. So what we have to do? In the example already you have learnt 5x bracket open 2x plus 4. Now second term is 3 bracket open 2x plus 4. Now multiply 5 2s are 10 xx x square plus 5 4s are 20 and x plus 3 2s are 6 x plus 3 4s are 12. Now these are like terms, so solve it. 10x squared, both are plus, so 20 plus 6, 26x plus 12. Clear? Coming to the second question, 7p minus 3q, 2p plus 5q. So 7p bracket open, 2p plus 5q bracket close. Now second term is minus 3q bracket open, 2p plus 5q. Okay, now 7 2s are, it is a 14. Then p and p squared plus 7 5s are 35, p and q, pq minus plus minus 3 2s are 6, p and q, that is pq. Now minus plus minus 3 5s are 15, q, that is q squared. Now pq, they are the like terms. So 14 p squared. Now plus 35 minus 6. It becomes plus 29 pq minus 15q squared. Because they are different signs, you have to subtract the greater number sign. Clear? Now coming to the third sum, 2 by 5a plus b, a squared minus 1 by 5 b squared. So that is a 2 by 5a bracket open, a squared minus 1 by 5 b squared. Second term is plus b. Now bracket open, this full, a squared minus 1 by 5 b squared. Now solve it. 2 by 5 into 1, 2 by 5, a squared, a cube. Now sign is minus 2 by 5 into 1 by 5. There is no cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 5 5s are 25. A b squared. Now plus 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 a squared b. Now here it becomes plus minus minus 1 into 1 by 5, 1 by 5, b and b squared, that is b to the power 3. Now here there is no like terms, isn't it? This is a b squared, this is a squared b. So this is the final answer. Okay. Now coming to the fourth sum, it is a m squared n minus 5 and 6 minus mn squared. Okay. Now m squared n bracket open, 6 minus mn squared. Now second term is minus 5 and then 6 minus mn squared. 1 6 are 6, m squared n, isn't it? Minus m squared m means how much? It is m cube. Now n and n squared, again n cube. Now minus plus minus, 5 6 are 30, minus minus plus, and now 5 1s are 5, m n squared. No like terms. This is m squared n, this is m n squared. So this is the final answer. You can rearrange 30, you can take it to the end. Otherwise, let it be like that only. The position of the terms, if it is interchanged, no problem. Okay, now I'm coming to the fifth sum. It is a 4x squared, bracket open, this full, 3xy minus 2y squared. Now here the second term is plus 7y cube, bracket open, 3xy minus 2y squared. Okay. Now 4 3s are 12. Now x squared x is x cube, then y is there. Now sign is plus minus minus, 4 2s are 8, x squared y squared. Now plus plus plus, 7 3s are 21. Now x, here it is not there, here it is there. Y cube and y means y to the power 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Now plus minus minus, 7 2s are 14. Y cube y squared means 3 plus 2, that is y to the power 5. Is there any like terms? No. So this is the final answer. It is 12x cube y minus 8x squared y squared plus 21xy to the power 4 minus 14y to the power 5. Okay, that was the question number 5th subdivision. Now coming to the 6th one, it is a decimal number. Okay, it is a 1.1x bracket, this full 1.1x minus 2.7y bracket close, and here it is plus 2.7y bracket open, 1.1x minus 2.7y. Okay, now 11 11s are, when you multiply, it is a 11 11s are, it is 121. But now it is a 1 decimal, 2 decimal, 1 decimal, 1 decimal. When you multiply, it is 2 decimal. So 1.21 x squared minus, now 11 7s are 77. 11 2s are 22 plus 7, 29. Again it is 2 decimal, so it becomes 2.97 and x and y. Now this is plus, this is plus. Again 2.7 into 1.1, that means it will be 2.97 xy. Now plus minus minus. Now 27 into 27, it will be 729. Now 2 decimal means 7.29. Y into y, that is y squared. Now the numbers, these terms, they are similar, signs different, so cancel. The final answer is 1.21 x squared. Now here it is minus 7.29 y squared. इज इट क्लियर? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? हर एक स्टेप में मैं कैसे कर रही हूँ सब कुछ बोलते जा रही हूँ करने के वक्त. होप एवरीवन इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Okay, now coming to the second question, verification. Okay, first solve as it is 2x squared. The second binomial is 5x plus 2y squared minus 5y multiplied by this full 5x minus 2y squared. Okay, now multiply 2 5s are 10, x squared x is x cube plus 2 2s are 4 and it is x squared y squared. Now minus plus minus 5 5s are 25, x and y, that is xy, minus minus becomes, okay, here it is plus, sorry, this is plus, minus plus becomes minus, 5 2s are 10, y cube. So the answer is, there is no like terms, 10x cube plus 4x squared y squared minus 25xy minus 10y cube. Please take care when you put the signs, otherwise the answer will be wrong. Okay, now coming to verification. Write LHS, that is 2x squared minus 5y, then 5x plus 2y squared. Question is correct. 2x squared minus 5y, 5x plus 2y squared. Put the values. 2 into x is 2 minus 5 into y is minus 1. Now again bracket open, 5 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1 square. Okay, now it will be 2 into 2 2s are 4 minus, this becomes minus 5. Now here 5 2s are 10. Now plus 2 into minus 1 square becomes 1 plus 1, isn't it? So now it will be 2 4s are 8, minus minus becomes plus 5, and now 10 plus it is 2. Now 8 plus 5 is 13 into, now 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 3s are 36, 3 in hand, 12 1s are 12, 13, 14, 15. So you got 156. Now coming to RHS, the answer whatever you got, it is 10x cube plus 4x squared y squared minus 25xy minus 10y cube. Okay, put the values. It is a 10 into x is 2 cube plus 4 into x squared, that is 2 squared, y squared is minus 1 squared, sorry, it is minus 25 into x is 2 and y is minus 1, bracket close, minus 10 into minus 1 cube. Okay, it will be 10 into 2 cube is 8, isn't it? Plus 4 into 2 square. 2 square is 4. Minus 1 square is 1. Why? You understood? Negative, the even number power, it becomes positive. Now this is minus. Now it is 25 twos are 50 and it is negative. So minus 50 minus 10 into minus 1 with the odd power. Then it is a negative only. Okay, now it is 10 8s are 80 plus 4 4s are 16 minus of minus plus 50 minus of minus plus 10. Now you add all. It is a, in the units, it is a 6, 10's place 8, 9, 10, 14, 15. So you got 156. That is LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. Correct? That was question number 2, subdivision 1. Now coming to the question number 2, subdivision 2. Okay, it is a fraction, so you should be little bit careful. Okay, now we'll write minus 1 by 4a bracket 1 by 4a plus 1 by 5b bracket close plus 1 by 5a bracket open 1 by 4a plus 1 by 5b. Okay. Now it is a, when you multiply, there is no cancellation. Minus plus minus 1 1s are 1, 4 4s are 16, a squared. Now minus plus minus 1 1s are 1, 4 5s are 20 and it is ab. Now plus 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 1 1s are 1, 5 4s are 20 a and it is a, now it is a, sorry, this is a 1 by 5b, so it becomes ab. Now plus plus plus, it is 1 1s are 1, 5 5s are 25, b into b square. Now ab plus minus, so this gets cancelled. The answer is minus 1 by 16 a squared plus 1 by 25 b squared. Now it is verification. Now LHS, it is a 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4a plus 1 by 5b, 1 by 4a plus 1 by 5b. Okay, now put the values. It is a square bracket open, minus 4 into a is 8 plus 1 by 5 into b is 5. Bracket close. Again square bracket open. 1 by 4 into 8 plus 1 by 5 into 5. Bracket close. 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 5 5 cut, 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 5 5 cut. So you will get the answer. It is a minus 2 plus, here it is 1 and here it is a 2 and here plus 1. So that is a minus 2 plus 1, that is a minus 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3. That means answer is minus 3. Clear? Now coming to RHS. Okay. RHS, it is the answer. What is it? Minus 1 by 16 a squared plus 1 by 25 b squared. Put the values. Minus 1 by 16 into a squared is 8 squared. Now 1 by 25 into b squared is 5 squared. That is minus 1 by 16, 8 squared is 64, isn't it? Into 1 by 25 into 5 squared is 25. 25 cancel. 16 ones are 16 fours are. So you got minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4 into here it is not into, here it is plus, isn't it? In between there is plus sign. So plus, now here it is 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So put the signs properly, otherwise if you multiply the answer will be wrong. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. Okay. Now coming to the third sum. It is m plus n bracket 2m minus 3m. Okay. M bracket open 2m minus 3n plus n bracket 2m minus 3n. Lengthy sums, isn't it? Feeling bored? Okay. Now 1 2s are 2, m into m squared minus 1 3s are 3, m n plus 1 2s are 2, m n plus minus 1 3s are 3, n squared. Okay. Now it will be, these are like terms, so you have to solve. So it will be 2m squared as it is, minus 3 plus 2 becomes minus 1. That means minus mn and the minus 3n squared. So this is the answer. Now coming to verification. You have to write LHS. What is the question given? M plus n and 2m minus 3n. Okay, put the values. M is equal to minus 2 plus 0. And here it is 2 into minus 2 minus 3 into 0. Okay, now here it will be minus 2 and here minus 4 and here it is minus 0. 3 zeros are 0. So you got minus 2 into minus 4, isn't it? Is equal to minus minus becomes plus 2 4s are 8. Clear? Okay, now coming to RHS. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? चलो क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे. It is 2m squared minus mn minus 3n squared. Okay, bracket open. 2 into m is minus 2 squared, bracket close, minus m is minus 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 square. Okay. Now it is bracket 2 into minus 2 square. माइनस का स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव बनता है. 2 2s are 4. Now minus 2 into minus 2 into 0, 0. 3 into 0 squared. 0 squared is 0. Again it is 0. 2 4s are 8. Minus 0 0. है ना? Is equal to 8. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verify. Clear? So that was about the subdivision 3. Okay, now coming to the fourth subdivision. Second question, fourth subdivision. Okay, again a decimal. So 0.1p, you have to multiply this, isn't it? 0.2 q minus 0.1p. Now plus 0.2 q, second term, multiplied by the full ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी है लिखो. चलो अभी 1 2s are 2. So it is 1 2s are 2. लेकिन डेसिमल 1 and 2, 2 डेसिमल आएगा तो आएगा 0.02 pq. Now sign is plus minus minus. 1 1s are 1, but it is 2 decimal, so the answer will be 0.01. P and P squared. Now plus 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 2 2s are 4, but 2 decimal, so the answer will be 0.04. Now Q and Q square. Plus minus minus 2 1s are 2 and a 2 decimal, so it will be 0.02 and it is PQ. Okay, now like terms, PQ 0.02, 0.02, here it is plus, here it is minus, so cancel it. So the answer is minus 0.01 p squared plus 0.04 q squared. Clear? Now coming to the verification. LHS 0.1 p plus 0.2 q, 0.2 q minus 0.1 p. Put the values. It is a bracket open. 0.1 into p is 10, isn't it? Plus 0.2 into q is 5. Bracket close. Again bracket open. 0.2 into q is 5 and 0.1 into p is 10. Okay, now 10 ones are 10, but the decimal is 1. Decimal, so 1.0 plus 2 5s are 10. Again, it is a 1 decimal, so it is 1.0. Now, here it will be bracket open, 2 5s are 10 and here again it is a minus 10 ones are 10, 1 plus 1 2 into 1 minus 1 is 0, so you got the answer 0. Clear? Now coming to RHS, minus 0.01 p squared plus 0.04 q square. Okay, shall we put the values? It is minus 0.01 into p squared is 10 squared plus 0.04 into q square. Q square is 5 square. Okay, now it is a minus 0.01. 10 square is 100. 10 tens are 100 plus 0.04 into 5 fives are 25. Now it is negative